Hi guys, Michigan Marijuana for Noobs. Back again. I'm going to do a video on unboxing. A few new things that I just got. Figure I'd do it with you guys. Forget, if you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And always share. Let's get to it. First box. Growsun. This is going to be the make your own bubble hash. This is the 8-bag kit. A nice little carrying case that came with it. This is also for the 5-gallon bucket. On each bag it shows what micron it is. Oops. Comes with a nice laminated instruction manual. We'll be making our own bubble hash here later on tonight, now that we got the bags. Hopefully you can see that. Also came with a pressing screen, 25 micron. This purple one's a 25. Blue one is 220. This would be the last bag. Feel like they're really good material, well made. White bag is a 45. And they all have this elastic cord on them, so you can tighten it up when you get stuff in it. Yellow bag will be a 73. I don't think I'll ever use all the bags, but never know. It's cheaper to buy all the bags as a 8-bag kit than to buy individual. This one is a 120, the orange bag. Green will be 190. Red bag 160. It's a really nice kit, it seems to be. And the black bag is 90. Seems to be a really nice kit thus far. We'll see how it performs later on tonight when we get to making some hash. Also very nice that it's got this nice carrying kit that it came with, so you can keep them all together. Also string cords, parachute cords, or whatever you want to call it. Oops, forgot the screen and the instructions. On to the next box. I'll also put links in the description for all this stuff in case you guys wanted to go out and get it yourself. We'll do these boxes first. Oh, these are U-shaped 11-inch spikes so I can tie my plants down when I put them into the greenhouse. That'll be for the LST, and this is just another box. So there's 100 of them there, 50 in each box. This here is separate than this next one. I got, well, let's do this bag first. This is going to be irrigation for the greenhouse. And it came as a kit, but it didn't have the dripper spikes that I like, so I purchased those separately. Okay, came with 100 feet of tubing. That's 1/4 inch tubing, and this is made from Koram. Come with a couple different attachments for hose attachments. Also came with some pipe tape, a tubing puncher. That's for popping the holes in for the barbed couplings. These are 1/4 inch support stakes. These are 1/4 inch barbed tees. And here are the drippers that it came with. And here's a 1/4 inch end closure. Oh, here's another piece that it came with for the hose. Slip that over there, lock it in place, and you just pull it to release it. But your hose, this brown hose, will go into here. This will screw onto your hose end, or you can make your own line, and it would then be vice versa. And then this would go out to your line. But I'll do a video on that when we put that in later on. I'll also put a link to this in the description. If you guys like this, here, I'll open up this bag. This kind of goes with it. I chose to get these with it as an extra because these drippers will just sit around the top of your pot and drip down, which would, yeah, work, but I'll open one of these up. This just seemed to be a little bit more what I'm looking for. These stick right down into the pot, and they're adjustable, easy to clean, and they stick right into your hose fitting just like the other ones do. And you can never have too many drippers. And in this is going to be the rapid clip from Luster Leaf, green twine, just regular hemp twine. This is what I'm going to use to do the LST on my plants and tie them to them stakes that go into the ground. We're going to do something organic, maybe help the plant a little bit better. This is 325 feet. I think I got this for $4 off Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. And the final box. This is going to be a 12 by 20 shade cloth for the greenhouse. And this is 40% shade. Looks really nice. It's 12 feet by 20. It's got grommets. Here's a corner actually. These are double grommeted. So they're really nice brass grommets to attach it. This will go over the top of the greenhouse. I'll show you a video on what it looks like after I get the greenhouse done. I know I've done quite a bit to the greenhouse and haven't did a video in a while, so I'll do that once I get the shade cloth on there. And I'll also put a link to that in the description. Now, like I said before, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like my page, subscribe. And I'll be back for more videos, so don't forget to share,